Back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to say good night to any person. Good night. For example, you have your boyfriend, you have your girlfriend, you have your lover, anybody, but you would like to talk to that person good night. It is very simple. But before I tell you how to do that, please watch the whole video and again subscribe. Wherever you come here, don't forget to subscribe. Tell your people about this video, about this channel. Give the thumbs up on this video. That is if you feel like I'm doing a good job for you. I'm here already to teach you Luganda, because that is the easiest language to learn in the whole world. Luganda. So now today let's know how to say good night to any person. If you want to say good night, we say Sula bulungi. Sula bulungi. Good night. Sula bulungi. If you're talking to people, 2+, more than one person, you say Musule. Musule bulungi. Musule bulungi. Musule bulungi. If you're talking to a person who's a man, you say good night, sir. And in Luganda we say Sula bulungi sebo. Sula bulungi sebo. If the person is a lady, you say Sula bulungi nyabo. Sula bulungi nyabo. If there are more than one and they are men, you say Musule bulungi basebo. Musule bulungi basebo. If they are ladies, Musule bulungi banyabo. More than one lady. Musule bulungi banyabo. If it's the person you love, good night, my love. In Luganda we say Sula bulungi omwagalwa. And you say that word and you put in a smile because you're talking to the person whom you love, you know. Good night, my love. Sula bulungi omwagalwa. You know, you can even add a flying kiss. Good night, my love. Sula bulungi omwagalwa. So that's how simple it is. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. My name is Kabwa Peter. I always put here good videos. And if you have any question, put the question down in the comment.